This project title is Drone and UAV Detection for Security Applications using Deep Learning. Coming to hardware, this is ESP32 controller and its daughter board, 16:2 LCD display, buzzer. This is a booster circuit for servo motor. This one ESP32 camera and its daughter board. The main motto of this project is to detect drones and UAVs based on visual system using camera. Before getting to working, create hotspot in mobile with username IoT server and password IoT server 123. ESP32 camera and ESP32 controller uses this hotspot to get internet. Camera enables with deep learning algorithm working on internet browser using TensorFlow model. Now power on. On the display it is showing title. Wait for 1 minute. The IP address of this camera is displaying on LCD. After 1 minute, IP address is displaying on the LCD. Type this IP address. In browser. (192.168.29.189). Top of the page there is a title, bottom of that there are some settings, then it will take 10 seconds time to load the model. Now model is completely loaded. This is the visual, and bottom of that the classification is displaying drone, UAV and none. None is third object other than drone and UAV. That's what none score is high, then drone and UAV. There are some images for drones and UAVs like this. I'm showing now. This is the drone image. This is UAV image. Now I am showing drone image in front of camera. Whenever drone detects, on the LCD it is showing drone UAV detected, and this message is uploading to IoT cloud server. Now I will show UAV. Whenever I am showing images, we can see the rank score here. For UAV, data uploading on the server like this. Drone and UAV detected, and the date and time also. For better results, maintain plane surface in front of camera to detect drones and UAVs.